my friends, and welcome again. Today in Cooking with Bananaman we are going to cook some delicious, guess what, Latin American beans with plantain again. For that you need to put your beans in water for at least one night because they are quite hard. So since I don't have the special pan that we have in Colombia or in Latin America, a press cooker, so we are going to do it here in a normal pan. So it will take a lot of time, but the results are the same, like delicious beans. Also, I'm making them vegetarian this time because I have many friends that are going to eat these beans that are not meat eaters. So for that reason I'm not using meat this time, but these beans are way better when we use pork. With pork they are especially super good. Well, after 2 hours we have our beans ready. If you want, you can smash these the plantains if you don't like it, and that makes them more creamy, as like this. So if you want, you can just take a few ones and smash them and then mix again, and you have delicious, creamy, perfect Latin American beans. Delicious.